Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to this beautiful Lelit Mara X espresso machine. It comes to us with a leak from the bottom, and when I test the machine I find it needs a tune-up and it needs to replace both these valves. This is the vacuum release valve and this is the boiler safety valve also, so I did replace both, and I deep cleaned the whole group head, and I replaced this diffuser too on the group head here, and I replaced the shower screen and the group head gasket, this one, with a nice silicone new one and a new shower screen. So, and I just like repaired the leak, and I direct the water here. It was like the rest of the water was going backward and leak behind the tray, so I just fix it and tied it up to keep it like this way. So when it's like the opposite way, some drops of the water going back, and I replace also of course the corroded screws in the bottom, and like I clean it up from the corrosion around the screws, descale the machine and give it 2 cleaning cycles. So let's go ahead and test it, make espresso shot on it. First I want to show how crazy the steamer works perfect, and also the hot water. That works great. Here is it. It refills right away. And let's make an espresso shot here. Feel after it stops refilling. There you go. Yeah, this sound, you hear some sound coming out from the OPV, the overpressure valve, but it works perfect, nothing wrong with it. Anytime like that sound can go, even when it's new, sometimes it coming out. It's perfect shot with thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. Yeah, that's it. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.